guys, today is Imani and I'm back with another video, and today I got my slimes. You want me to show you how they work? Okay, let's get on with the video. So, I prefer to do this one because this one is just really pretty and really sparkly blue. So, let's open it. So guys, I opened it and then so start playing with it. So this is how it works. All the slime, and pretend I made another video after this one. And so guys, this is super simple. Let's get on with the other video, so let's just leave them out for now.
She means the next slime. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so the next slime
is this blue raspberry triple, just called triple.
Oh, sticky.
Yes, guys, it is supposed to be sticky. So let's dump it out. Oh, move this a little bit. So guys, we have it and it's really good. And just press. So let's just go on with the other video.
The next one.
The next one, and pretend we put them all back, and I'm back with another video to say which one.
No, there is no other video. It's just one.
Just one video. So can I make another one? And so we're going to the next one.
So she has two more slimes after this.
So you need to do one thing.
Go ahead and open your slime.
When
Go ahead and open your slime. So we're not taking this one. She's not taking this one out because it's really sticky. Where is it? Okay.
So fun to play with, guys.
So we're putting this in the can because it's sticky to show on camera.
So sorry guys, but we have to do it.
We have another one. This is Imani's strawberry yogurt. It's fun.
So, guys, look. It's not that sticky. Can it?
Just do it like this and then it pops out. Oh, and by the way, Imani got a cast yesterday, I guess, like a few days ago. So yeah, here's her strawberry slime. And the last one is this purple one.
Is this one sticky?
No.
Okay, so I can bring this one out. It's not really sticky.
So here's her grape slime. So yeah,
guys, if follow me on Instagram, I'm going to be back with another video.
and yeah.
So please subscribe to our channel.
No, so don't forget to subscribe to Imani's channel and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, unique_Fluffy Panda 03. Fluffy Panda 567 and Imani, because she's the best. Yeah, that's it for today. For her video today, guys. Please like and comment
Down
below what was your favorite slime in this video.
And besides, which one did I open up first?
Yeah. And if you get that right, we'll subscribe to your channel. So don't forget to subscribe to Imani and me, unique_Fluffy Panda 567, and Imani will see you in the next video.
Bye.